Hello everyone and welcome in this video. I don't know if you are already aware, but in Odoo 16, Odoo has made a lot of improvements to make the Odoo barcode module almost error-proof. In this video, I would like to show you all the things that has been made. So I have prepared for you one database with different flows. So let's see first one receipt. So let's go in the configuration that has been made. So I'm on inventory configuration and I go to the operation type and in the receipt. For all the operations, you have now a new option that is create backorder. From there, you can decide if you ask the user if it's yes or no for the backorder, if it's always yes or always never, and in these two cases, you won't ask the user if it's yes or no. In this case, I will say yes. And that's it for the first things that I would like to show you for the receipt. So now let's jump on the barcode app and process my first receipt. So from there, I will move to my picking year the 14, and you can see several things that has been improved. First of all, before Odoo 16, when you add a different destination for your products, you add different pages. So you add one page per destination location. Now everything has been grouped in one page. So you can see that for the product A, I have a puttery rule that says that my product have to go to the zone A, and for my product B to the zone B. Everything is grouped there, and my destination location is set right here. Another thing is now the message here is quite clear. So the first thing I have to do for my receipt is to scan one product. So I will scan my first product. So now it's in green. So it's very visible that the product has been processed. I can now either scan a package or destination location or another product. I will go for my destination location, and you can see now that the message has changed. I can scan another product and continue my picking. In this case, I will show you just the message that I have in case of the back order. So you can see that one product were not processed and the user can decide if he would like to say create a back order or not. I will, in this case, choose create a back order. So this has been processed, and now I would like to show you another receipt. So for that one, I will first show you one thing is that you have here two different references. One is your internal reference, and the other one is in fact the supplier reference. It's really useful to have both side by side. Like this, you are sure that the product that you have in hand is the correct one. So this is the first thing that I wanted to show you, and now I will process my picking. Imagine, so I scan my first product, so it's in green, and in fact the box is broken. Before, you had no possibility from the barcode app to give a message to someone else. So now you have from there, from the eye, so you have the information of the picking, but you have now as well the information of the chatter. And from there, you can decide to add a picture, for example, of my broken box. And so you can see that now the image is available for my colleagues. And so they can see that the supplier has sent a broken box. So I can confirm, and now I can process my other product. So I can scan my large cabinet. Everything has been processed. So now I would like to show you other things that has been made, and I will do it through a delivery process. In this database, I'm in two steps. So if I go on my configuration on the warehouse level, you see that I receive my, I pick my product and then I ship them. So let's go on the operation types to see what has been set for the configurations. So for the pick, you can see, it's the same for all the operations, that you have a new tab that is Barcode App. From there, you have different options. So you can decide what is mandatory to be scanned. In this case, I have chosen that the source location has to be scanned. You have the product that has to be scanned as well, in my case. And you can decide if lot or serial number should be scanned or not, and if it has been the product have to be packed. For that, you can decide if each product will be packed separately, or you can group several products in the same box. And you can decide as well if the destination location has to be scanned. In this case, I have said no. And at the end, you can decide um, another option that here is all the products need to be packed at the end of this operation in order to validate the operation. For the delivery of operation, I haven't changed the default settings. I have just said that I will move my entire package at this stage. So now let's go to my barcode app to see the other improvements more concretely. So I go to my delivery, and from there I will process my picking for Anita. So I go here, and you can see that I have three different products. Um, so first of all, I will scan my cabinet with drawers. Just take the correct page in front of me. Um, Wait a second. So I jump directly to the out, but in fact I have to first do the pick. So I go here on my picking. So you can see that all the products here are in gray. So it means that I cannot uh, use it. I have to scan first my source location to be able to process my scanning. So I will first here scan my source location, that is WH stock, and you can see that it has directly highlighted the two products that have the same locations. If I had several products, I will have here different possibilities. And now I can scan my first product, that is in this case my pedal bin. And for example, if I scan a product that was not in my picking, so I will scan, for example, my acoustic block screen, I will receive a message saying this product was not reserved in this transfer, so there is no demand for this product in my picking. Are you sure that you want to add it or not? You can decide if it's yes or no. You click too fast and you click OK, you have still the possibility to remove the product if you go here on the pen and then you have the option delete. So now I have made the correction and I can continue to process my product. So I can scan my, in this case, it was the cabinet with doors. So I can scan it and voila, I think that's it that I wanted to show you. Just one thing, so here it's has not been validated. You can see that as I have begin to process my picking, I has been directly assigned it to this picking. And now if I would like to click on validate, I have a pop-up saying that all my products need to be packed at this stage. So if I want to be able to validate, I have to first click to put in pack or scan my package. And now, so my two products are in the pack at number 2, and I can click on validate. So I'm now ready to manage the delivery part. So for that one, I think it's in fact this picking. So as I said that it's move on tire package, you can see only here the pack number 2. And I would like to show you two things related to the package. So from there, you have as well the possibility, so it helps you as well for the user to make sure to don't do any mistakes. So imagine the boxes is closed, so it's difficult to know what there is inside. So now in Odoo 16, you have the possibility to scan the package to know its contents. So you can see that. So you go, in fact, from the page of the package. You can see where is my product, what there is inside, and the different information, like the different moves related to this pack. Another thing that has been made, so yeah, I will go back to my barcode and to my delivery. So you know that I have put in during my pick all my products in my pack too. And from there, now you have three options to filter the different pickings you have to process. You can either scan and transfer, so the document of the barcode of your document, or product or package. In this case, I will scan my package, and you see that it has been filtered um, among the different pickings. I can now process it, and voila, and I can just click on validate. I will disable this, and everything has been done. So I hope that it's clear for you. I wanted to show you everything that has been made. A lot of improvements are still coming, so don't hesitate to give your feedback as well. And have a good evening. Bye bye.